Hello, Stardust friends, welcome to God's Kitchen, where the universe itself gets a little sprinkle of love. Hey guys, I'm Michael, the narrator and the cameraman. And look at him, ready to create something truly magical. Let's make today's special primordial soup. Let's make some happy little molecules. God starts by heating up his bowl, think it's molten lava ocean. See those bubbles? That's just early Earth expressing itself. A happy little bubble here, a happy little puff there, no mistakes, just cosmic fun. Next comes the liquids, water vapor from comets. Then dash of volcanic gases, a pinch of methane, and a sprinkle of ammonia. Make sure to leave out oxygen, that'll ruin everything. Oops, don't worry, it's a happy little accident. We will start again. And now, a friendly zap of lightning, just a happy little zap to wake the soup up. Time to simmer, a few million years, just slow and steady. Patience is the secret ingredient. Even single-celled life deserves a little love and a gentle touch, a happy little mixing never hurt anyone. And look, amino acids forming, joining hands, happy little building blocks of life. A tiny whisper of possibility, a gentle nudge from the universe, isn't that just the happiest little thing you've ever seen? And here it is, primordial soup. Rich, warm, full of potential. One day it will make oceans, fish, dinosaurs, and maybe even viewers like you. Just remember, there are no mistakes, only happy little creations.
And thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.